You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these French word and French verb. Okay, so this is not how you say a singer in French, and it's not how you pronounce it either. So this is not a singer. This is a cooking term. It's a technique for making a sauce with flour, and it's also a verb to mean to act like a monkey, because singe is monkey in French. So totally two unrelated meanings for it. Both pronunciations though are as singer, singer. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say singer, singer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.